Hello everyone. First of all, my name is Tanaya Milin Ige. I am only one in this group. My topic name is Image Processing Technique for Fruit Grading and Sorting. Needs for fruit grading and sorting. Agriculture plays a major part in economic growth of India. As there is a high demand for quality fruits in the market, fruit grading process is considered as a very important. Fruit grading by human may causes inefficient and may also leads to some errors. Another problem is labor intensive, and to solve the above problems, agriculture industry introduced many automated grading system. In this paper, a concept was introduced to get quality fruit by observing its color, measuring its size and weight. The main aim of this paper is to be the quality check of the fruit within a short span of time. Introduction. This paper deals about the ability to check and improve the quality of the fruits and receive gradient increase in the efficiency of the production to reduce the cost for labor to work with in automatic unit of detection. Sorting the fruit based on the large scale process is a well consumes more time, prove the costly and result in inaccuracy. Any detection system has some set regulations towards its proper working, and hence does the system in finding the proper quality of the fruit based on the characteristic detection regulation. The paper concern about the betterment of the quality of the product and the food materials made of fruit with the instant that the quality of the fruits is maintained. Literature review. Search paper title Image Processing Technique for Fruit Grading and Sorting, published by Blue Eyes Intelligence Engineering and Science Publication. Description. In this paper, they have sorting and grading the fruit using image processing and MATLAB. Search paper. Here is the search paper link. Methodology. Existing method consists of source and the destination unit, where the image are directly captured from the field through the digital camera and it's processed by the software, which is use digital processing technique. Using the software process, the capture image is captured with the normal fruit, and based on the existing feature, sorting of the fruit is done. Two categories are used to sort the fruit: defected fruit, healthy fruit. The software displays the number of fruit tested, its height, weight and width. The number of fruit accepted and rejected was also displayed. Proposed method. The proposed system consists of two sections. First one is fruit handling section, second one is image existing section. The architecture of the system is given below. Figure number 1. The system is in automatic system which reduce the manual handling of fruit sorting the fruit that was taken for the analysis. First one is a fruit handling section. In this section, the fruit handling section consists of PC, camera, conveyor belt, light, ATML 889S52 microcontroller, DC gear motor, motor driver and URT bridge. The camera is connected to the PC where the platform is in embedded platform, which has both the software and hardware technologies. The stable part of the fruit grading system is made up of wooden stool and lights are mounted on it. The fruit are passes through the conveyor belt from one side to another side on the wooden stall. At the middle portion of the conveyor belt, we fix a digital camera to capture the image of the fruit. When the fruit is passed through the belt, it is stopped at the point where camera is fixed and the image of the fruit is captured and is given to the processor through USB port. Second one is the image processing section. In this section consists of image processing, segmentation, features extraction and selection. Classification. In image processing section, a medium filter is applied to suppress the noise and the reflection that are found in the captured image. Segmentation is done by conveying the image into binary by using OTSU. Conversion methodology of MATLAB. Here two partition regions of the image was taken as a result. One is background region and the other one is mango region, and if the defect is mango is most similar to the background, means then the region of the mango consists of holes. These holes are filled up by pixel to exact the complete the region of the mango. And the value of mango fruit with red intensity value, responsible size is graded into one class, and the fruit with a low red intensity value and smaller size is graded into other class. Red intensity value of the fruit related to its degree of sweetness. More the red intensity, more the degree of sweetness. Following into the MATLAB code. I am reads the image from the specified location. I am resize the use of read image into 250 cross 250 pixel. Now resize image consists of 250 rows and 250 column of the different pixels value. RGB to gray command is used to convert color image to grayscale image. Processing a color image takes a long time. That is why we convert that grayscale image and they proceed it. HG command used to obtain edge office grayscale image into obtain canny filters variance of 0.52. This variance vary from 0 to 1 to obtain sharp edge variance set to 1. Then size of edge image to obtain store in M and N. This is the color image grayscale image obtained which edges we detected. Here variable I and j varies from to the size of image. In MATLAB, binary image are represented using two values in MATLAB, 0 for black pixel and 1 for white pixel. Only one white pixel enters if loop and position of the white pixel are stored in variable I1 and J1. If the loop white pixel is checked if a pixel is white, then location be stored in variable I1 and J1. In this for loop, distance between one white pixel and other white pixel is been calculated. If pixel is white, then its location takes and that location is subtracted with the other position of white pixel location. Correspondingly, every white pixel is been subtracted from that distance and it been stored in the variable DISI. The distance between white pixel and store the variable the DISI, then maximum value can be found. Let up red, green, blue in channel value of color image found and main is calculated. Then red intensity found using this formula. It is mean red value of the submission of other means. Then threshold value is set This threshold is set by the analyzing different mangoes fruit. Mangoes fruit are tested tested if sweet is if it is sweet is red, value is found. If it is sour, its value is found. Because of this value and this analysis, threshold been fixed, and the variable R2 is greater than threshold 0.4, then C given as 1. So based on this C value, fruit been graded sweet and not sweet. And this is the red image of the mangoes fruit. Similarly, other threshold is fixed to be 230 of the maximum distance. Distance between two white pixel is greater than 250, then C value is 1. Then which is large fruit or else large fruit? Sweet. If the maximum between two white pixel is less than 230, if C is 1, it is small fruit and sweet from the method fruit being great. Into four types, which is large fruit and sweet fruit, large fruit and sour fruit, small fruit and sweet fruit, and small fruit and sour fruit. This is the experiment result. In this experiment, step 1 is in fruit handling section. The convey along with the mangoes is moved based on the signal that is sent by the MATLAB to the microcontroller unit. Second step is the mango is moved to the position so that the digital camera can capture the mango image. Step 3 is the image processing section, receiving the capture image of mango and platform segmentation, features extraction and classification process. The mango image is loaded into the interface and the mangoes is analyzed for defects. If mango is defective, means it conveyor belt move the mango into the bin, indicating that the defective one. Step 4 is the mango is not defective. One means the software procedure to check the ripeness of the mango. After the classifying whether the mango is ripe, unripe, the grading is done by the system and mangoes are moved to the different bins automatically with the help of conveyor belt. This is the image source are sent over the system with the various texture and size automatically. The image were acquired and segmented under the cluster division across the system and the defective image were found. Conclusion: this paper present hardware for fruit grading where all the mangoes were graded using the computer vision techniques. Based upon the output of the image processing section, the hardware moves the mangoes to the respective bins after the decision of detected, non-defected and ripe unripe. The accuracy of the obtained through the classification of 96%. This is a hardware is very cheap, so that a farmer he himself can analyze quality of mangoes in the field itself. In this, only 300 mangoes are accepted for processing for industry purpose. Further improvement is needed with the respect to speech and accuracy. This is the reference link. Thank you.